and welcome to vlog 9 of Rally Race Cars. So today we've got some new parts. So panel wipe for the paint, Mintex springs and fasteners for the drum brakes.
That's the one, okay. Well, they're drum brake pads is what
these are. Drum brake pads. The springs are related to here and fasteners. Yep. They attach to what Rob painted last time.
They do.
Also, we've got a container for brake cleaner, which we've decided to go for a gardening one today, this time, because each one we get from Euro Car Parts decides to melt because of the brake cleaner.
Nice.
We've got a ratchet strap, which is for the rear of Pat. You remember, but back in the day when we started the vlogs, there was a box sat here. It was initially bolted down, but now I want it to be able to pull out with ease. So I'm just going to hook it with a ratchet strap, hook here, and a hook on the actual where the harnesses go. So it's just quick out when I want it out. Also, Jake's popped, as I spoke about the other week, wheel bearings. And Jake has replaced them now and removed all the studs because we're going to get some new extended studs. So that's both done. And I have already I've primed it and tested the white gloss just to see what it was like and how it was covering before we did the rest of it. Today I'm going to be focusing on the rear beam and prepping that for paint. Rob will be filming and may do a little bit of the bumper and hopefully get the rear bumper done, or get it closer to paint, so we can get that painted in the next couple of weeks and looking as nice as it has been. Well, as the front. So, we've got the new springs, which is the Mintex springs. We're going to change these, which I think these are going to be the easiest ones to change, which looks like these ones. So I'm just going to swing these out. Back in. That's the quickest way of doing it. So it's nice. So I can do it with this one as well. Just like that. We're going to try and do this one now. There you go, there's two. And I don't know if I'll do the third because of it being under tension. But we will try. Doesn't look like we're going to be able to do that today. Well, doesn't matter too much because we've got the two that we wanted to do. I'll just do it on this one. There you go. There are the springs replaced. This one I'm not going to try again because it's going to be under a lot of tension. And I don't want to mess it up either. And these will get to go back on the car shortly. Once we've done the rear beam, which I've stopped for now. I'm going to use these as spares, just in case, and pop these in spares as well. Also, we've got these new hardware, which focus, and new springs as well. So all of these can go in. All of these can go into the spares box, just in case we lose one on a rally or something along those lines. So all of those will go into spares. And these are all the new ones, wherever that has gone. So these are new springs and etc. So two each side, and new locking pins as well. So these are all done, so all painted by Rob. So that will sit like so. So there you go, that'll sit like that, and that'll sit like that, and then the springs, they will seat. Oh, looks like a hole is there, which hasn't been cut out earlier. So today we've been very cold, very hungry, and
We want Nando's.
we want Nando's.
Not sponsored, but we'd like sponsors.
We like. So we've done half the beam. We've come to a little issue of a bent bolt. Where it is in here. It's rather bent.
Very bent. I think someone hit a pothole.
No, I think it was me trying to get it off. So I'm going to have to get a replacement. So the rest of that is yet to come. I'll put some, as you just saw, the two springs, haven't done the other ones. Rob has just painted the outer part of the drum.
I have.
So that's going to be, that's drying at the moment. And that's about it. Oh yeah, Rob has finished, partly sanded the bumper, so that's ready for the final coat of filler, hopefully, and then hopefully paint. Yeah,
That's about it.
that's about it. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching the video. I know it's been a bit of a shorter video today, I think, but But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and we will be getting on with a lot of progress once we get some more stuff in stock, or some more parts which are to come. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.
Bye.